If you struggle to snap your fingers or simply cannot do it at all, like so, then this might help you. The sound that you generate when you're snapping your fingers isn't actually from the friction between your thumb and your middle finger. This is what I initially thought at first, but it's actually from your middle finger hitting your palm right about here, kind of at this fleshy area of your thumb. The pressure between your thumb and your finger, it's just basically this downward motion, and your thumb's just kind of in the way. So you're pressing together, pinching these two fingers together like this, and slowly sliding them apart. And then at that kind of critical point, when it slips off and they slide off, your middle finger is just coming down and striking your palm. So that wasn't a good one, but the quicker you can do it, the better. But this is kind of the motion, and your thumb is just kind of getting in the way and generating that pressure before it slams down and slaps into your palm here. A couple of troubleshooting tips if you can't get it too audible is that if you have these two fingers, your ring finger and your pinky, resting in the middle of your palm as opposed to kind of down here, that might not get as good of a sound. I kind of struggle with it there. So by moving these guys kind of closer down, your middle finger will kind of strike this little gap right in between, this little intersection. Kind of have to find the sweet spot and make a much louder snapping noise. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning on in, and we'll catch you next time. Adios, amigos.